Hey there guys, it is CWanless here, and this is my studio. So this studio has been through a lot of different stages: a garage, a gaming room, recently a hacking room where I ran Kali from a bootable USB on an old laptop. I am a white hat though, just for the records. So I wanted to renovate. I want a minimalist setup really, a space to think, a space to work, a space to game, and most importantly, a space to record. So I've thought about it and I'm going to start a series building my new studio. So feel free to leave any ideas you have in the comments down below. I've thought of a basic layout. I was watching some videos on YouTube and I came across Kevin Kenson and Brandon Havard. And obviously I already knew about MKBHD, so I took inspiration from each of their setups. Brandon Havard is a self-proclaimed minimalist. His desk setup, as he claims, is very minimalistic. Is that even a word actually? Hang on, let me search it.
3 hours later.
Apparently it's not a word. Well, anyway, back on track. He has posters up around the room, and I saw his posters with the Apple patents on them, and I absolutely love them. So I'm going to get some printed off and framed, and I'm going to stick them up just back there. You can see one poster up there. I'm just looking at the preview on my monitor, and then there will be another one up somewhere around there. So I'm just going to I can't speak. Put the posters up back there. So also Kevin Kenson, I came across his channel as I've said, and he made a video about a PC and PS4 hybrid setup. So I've decided to adapt that with the tech that I've got and make that the main centerpiece of the room really. So the main piece of tech that I'm missing right now is the Razer turret, and I'm just going to use an IKEA laptop table, my mechanical keyboard, and the Logitech G602 on a tiny mouse pad, so it can all fit on the IKEA laptop table. Then obviously, as I've said, MKBHD. He's always been in my top 3, I'd say, content creators. So he has a massive studio in New York, and in that studio he has the desk from Jonathan Morrison's video, his dream desk. So he uses that desk to record videos, to work, and to think. So I think I'm going to repurpose my Linman tabletop and Alex Draw's unit with 2 Adil's legs, as you might be able to see just here. There's Alex Draw's on the other side of it, but you can probably see it there. I'm going to repurpose that, and I'm going to use that for the same purpose that he uses his desk. Obviously, this would be the perfect space for an iPad setup maybe, or maybe for even my own edition of TLD's budget desk setups in the future. Also for a laptop setup, if like in the future I get a top spec Mac Pro, wink wink, I can use this space as my editing station as opposed to my PC. Right, so this is the end of episode 1. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I don't want to make these videos too long. So again, don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions down below. And until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. That made no sense. See you later, I guess.